Step number 1, don't get a puppy. They can get very expensive. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Inai HM and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 simple steps to financial freedom. This is going to be straight to the point, no BS, probably no edits. It's just going to be to the point and probably a short video. So let's begin. Keep in mind guys, this video is for people who live in established countries where there is opportunity for them to work hard and to get paid accordingly. I know there are many people living in countries where they struggle to meet their basic needs, and this video definitely doesn't apply to them because you do need opportunity for that help. However, it's definitely not impossible if you live in one of those countries. It's just going to be definitely harder and not as simple as what I'm going to give you guys. So let's start with the first step, and that is living below your means. I know it sounds very simple. However, many people do not actually follow this. What you need to do is spend less than what you make. The less you spend from your income, the quicker you're going to reach financial freedom. It's as simple as that. Let's say you make $2,000 a month. Let's say you can live on half of that, and that would be $1,000 a month, and then you would save the rest of the $1,000. This definitely helps you tremendously because there are many people out there who make $100, $200, $300, even $500,000, and they spend it all. So if you're someone who makes $40,000 a year and you spend 20 and save 20, you're ahead of these people who make 500 and spend 500. Because at the end of the day, if something were to happen, you have the ability to rely on your savings or your investments or any of those. So number 1 key is live below your means and spend less money than you actually make. And a few years of sacrifice definitely will go a long way, and you can really buy yourself a lot of time by doing that. Let's say you need $30,000 a year to live and you make $60K a year. If you save 30, you just bought yourself a year of time. If you do nothing for the next year and you have 30K in the bank, you can live off of those most probably. So imagine doing that for a few years and saving even more than that, or making more than that, and let's say spending only 20% of your income instead of 50. It goes a long way, and your future self would definitely thank you. Which brings me on to the next step, and it's just make more money. Making more money, and with you spending less than what you actually make, you can reach financial freedom way quicker. Because if you save 30K a year and you can live off 30K a year. Let's say we go back to the example of 60K a year income. Let's say right now you bump up your income to 80K a year and you still spend just 30. Now you have 50K saved and you can use it to buy. Basically, you bought yourself another year and 3 quarters instead of just buying a year of time with the income that you already make. You can make more money by either starting a side hustle, could be a side business that you do on the weekends or after your job at night. You can even buy things and sell them on eBay. This is called flipping, where you buy things from an auction or a garage sale or from Amazon or from eBay or from Walmart or from anywhere, and you would sell it for a profit. This is called flipping. Look into it. You can easily make $500 a week doing so if you really commit to it and if you need the money to do so. And it goes a long way. The other thing you can do is learn a new skill. Maybe you're someone who doesn't have a college degree, or maybe you do have a college degree and you want to learn photography. You want to go shoot photos for weddings or something on the weekends. You could do that. Invest your time and money into maybe learning and buying new equipment so you can get paid and get paid more money than the ones you actually make from your actual job. Or you can also go to school and get a degree in something that probably pays you well, and definitely do that by minimizing debt as much as possible, because that will drive you further from financial freedom than closer. And we don't want that. By making more money and spending less, you will have more abundance of money that you can save. And what you can do with that money is step number 3, and that is invest your money. Financial freedom definitely isn't possible, in my opinion, without investing. Doesn't have to be investing in crypto or stocks. It could be anything. I'll mention those in a moment. However, if you're someone who makes a lot of money from your job, you could be a singer who makes millions and millions, or an athlete who makes millions and millions, you probably can make enough money in order to live on for the rest of your life. But if you do, you're probably not watching this video. And for the rest of the people like us, what we need to do is invest our money. Investment options could be investing in your education. Like I said in step number 2, could be investing in real estate, where you buy and rent out properties. It could be investing in stocks. And my favorite would be investing in crypto. You could invest in a business where you open up, let's say, a coffee shop, or you can open up an online store. With the internet, possibilities are really endless. All you have to do is take initiative and actually do it. And with investing your money, let's say investing in crypto or stocks, your money would be growing and you don't have to do anything. You can be literally sleeping and you'd be generating money if everything goes well and the stock market or the crypto market goes up. Real estate is another one where you have to buy properties, but it's a longer term game, and it's a bit harder than crypto because literally anyone can go in and buy Bitcoin for the next 5 years and maybe become a millionaire. But with real estate, it takes more time. However, it might be more safe if that's what you would like to do in the future. Also, as I said earlier, investing your time and money in another skill to learn or in your education, it also pays off in the long term, which would generate you more money. So let's say you learn a skill right now, that would generate you more money over time, which you can then invest in those money-making investments such as real estate, crypto, your business, stock market, as we said earlier. That's it, guys. It's really simple if you put it down on pen and paper. What you need to do is definitely not financial advice, but track your expenses this month or the next month. Go over your expenses and see what you spent on and see how you can cut back on those expenses so you can spend less than what you earn, because it pays off big time. Knowing that you have enough money to buy something definitely is more rewarding than actually buying a thing. Like, I would rather know that I am able to afford a Lamborghini, for example, than actually having the Lamborghini, because once I buy it, I don't have that money anymore, right? So track your expenses, see how much you can save, see how much you can invest, and see what you can do to increase your income. I do recommend you looking into buying and selling things on eBay. I would say this is the easiest one of the bunch. Just anything you're interested in. It could be tennis rackets, it could be typewriters, it could be electronics. Just buy and flip for a higher price. Make sure you know what you're getting into. Or you can learn a skill. I personally have been performing magic for the past 7 years. I do that over the weekend, and it does help me make more money than what I do or what I used to do from my previous job. And it definitely pays off and it adds up eventually. Plus, you'd be doing your passion, because I personally love magic, and doing it and getting paid for, what else do I want? It's amazing. So I do recommend you do that as well. And that's it, guys. It's really possible. A few years of sacrifice can really go a long way. So that's it. If you enjoyed this kind of content, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you just want me to focus purely on crypto, or if you want me to do more of those personal finance videos. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.